Welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can ignore messages on Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Messenger application. Once you update your Messenger application, you simply need to go and open your Messenger application. Once you open your Messenger application, you simply need to select any conversation, and then you need to click on the icon in the top right, and here you need to scroll, and here you can see the option of restrict. You can see that recently there is an update from Messenger, and Messenger update changed that restrict to from the ignore to restrict. You simply need to click on that restrict, and then you need to click on restrict. So you can see that I restrict a conversation. So this is a process by which you can ignore conversation on Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.